Ko is down, sho is up, si is flat. Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
Medhaya pihitaha.
Medhaya pihitaha.
Medhaya pihitaha. Medhaya pihitaha.
Medhaya pihitaha. Medhaya pihitaha.
Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha. Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
Shrutam me gopaya.
Shrutam me gopaya. Shrutam me gopaya.
Next one you know very well. Om.
Shanti, shanti, shanti.
So Shanti is Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Like the way it's not Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. No emotion there. Very simple. Happily you should say Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om.
Shanti, shanti, shanti.
I said no touch of a Shanti. No, don't say like that. This is a musical note. No musical note there. If you say Shanti, what is a movie song or what? No, you have to say Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. That's the Vedic way to say. If you sing your bhajans, you want to say Shanti however you want, it doesn't matter. But when you are chanting Vedas, you have to do it with the same swaras. You can't put whatever swaras you want. Like, like that phrase, Nama Soma, Jacha Rudra, Jacha Sama, not Shankar Mahadevan Venda. No Shankar Mahadevan. Just you have to chant exactly like how it is chanted with the exact notations. Okay? No. Today I don't know why Shankar Mahadevan came 2 times. In the Veda class also I was remembering because people were going breathless. Then I said, don't imitate Shankar Mahadevan. So this, so especially the parents, please, if you learn properly, your children will learn properly. If you learn with mistakes, your children will actually learn with more mistakes. Okay? So it is very important that if you have to practice it with the children, then the child will correct you. Amma, you are saying wrong. Yeah? Abhiram is doing that. Right? Correct? Are you chanting? Yeah. Happy Gondra. Chant happily, okay? Om Yachanda Samrasabho Vishwarupaha.
Om Yachanda Samrasabho Vishwarupaha. Om Yachanda Samrasabho Vishwarupaha.
Chandobhyodhyamrutat sambhabhuva.
Chandobhyodhyamrutat sambhabhuva.
Nama. Chandobho, right? Yeah. There should be a Y there. Chandobhyodhyamrutat sambhabhuva. Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu. Samendro.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu. Samendro.
Samendro, dro is up, rest is flat. Not Samendro, not like that. Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
One more time.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
Like special class తీసుకోవాలమ్మా. ఆ మే ఎందుకో నువ్వు కిందకి మేబీ యు ఆర్ నాట్ కనెక్టింగ్ టు ద స్వర కరెక్ట్లీ. సమేంద్రో మేధయా స్పృణోతు.
Samendro medhaya sprunhotu. Samendro medhaya sprunhotu.
అమృతస్య దేవధారణో భూయాసం.
Amrutasya devadharano bhuyasam. Amrutasya devadharano bhuyasam.
శరీరం మే విచర్షణం.
Shariram me vicharshanam. Shariram me vicharshanam.
జిహ్వా మే మధుమత్తమా.
Jihva me madhumattama. Jihva me madhumattama.
కర్ణాభ్యాం భూరి విశ్రువం.
Karnabhyam bhuri vishruvam. Karnabhyam bhuri vishruvam.
బ్రహ్మణ కోశోసి మేధయా పిహితః.
Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha. Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
బ్రహ్మణ కోశోసి మేధయా పిహితః.
Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha. Brahmana koshosi medhaya pihitaha.
శ్రుతం మే గోపాయ.
Shrutam me gopaya. Shrutam me gopaya.
ఓం
Shanti, shanti, shanti.
యచ్ఛందసాం ఋషభో విశ్వరూపః. దట్ సౌండ్, chandas means the sound, supreme sound, which is the sound that is manifested as the entire cosmos. What is that sound that is manifested as the entire cosmos? Om. Om is the sound. What is that song we sing? That God gave that word, such a beautiful sound. Om 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 Hari Om. That Om. That from the Om came everything. Therefore this very first mantra is that sound, the supreme sound from which the whole world manifested. That is the meaning of that. Now you see, Chandas means sound, Ya means that, Chandas the sound, supreme Rishabho, Vishwarupaha, the manifestation of the whole world. And from that sound, even immortality came out. Amrutat sambabhuva. From the sound of the Om came even immortality. Because the sound Om is the one that takes us from the lower level to the higher level. The Om is the Taraka Mantram. Taraka means that helps you transcend from mortality to immortality, from lower level to the higher level. Mruchorma Amrutam Gamaya. So in order for us to go to the Amrutam, and that sound is helpful for that. Now it's very important, because lot of people don't even say Om properly. They will sit here, Om, Om. They don't even put an effort to actually say the Om, connecting to the Om. Om is right here. Om is the sound that is the one that takes us across the ocean of birth to immortality. Chandobhyo Amrutat Sambabhuva. From the sound from which even immortality came into existence. Let that stimulate my intellect. Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. Let that sound stimulate, Sprunotu, or inspire my intellect. So why we say Om before every thing that we do? We say Om because once you say Om, the sound from which everything came, then you connect to the divine through the Om. Immortality is divine, right? Hello, Surya. Sari Okar. I'll ask you the questions next, okay? So, when we say Yachandasam Rushabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodhyamruta Sambabhuva Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. Then what happens is described next. So let's first chant that. Om
Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyo Dhyamruta Sambhabhuva Samindro Medhaya Sprunotu.
One more time. Om
Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyo Dhyamruta Sambhabhuva
Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. Samendro. No, you are falling into the trap. Hello, excuse me. Very simple. Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu.
Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu. Samendro Medhaya Sprunotu.
Then what happens once the intellect is stimulated? Amrutasya devadharano bhuyasam. I am able to wear the immortality as my vesture. I am no longer afraid that I am a mortal being, that I have to be worried about death. I became fearless. Amrutasya devadharano bhuyasam. Then you know that you are immortal. Then what happens? Sariram me vicharshanam. Your body becomes very much eligible, capable. Jikva me madhumattama. Your tongue becomes sweet to say the sweet words. Karnabhyam bhuri vishwam. Everything that you hear that goes in stays within. Then, hello, sit properly, Sairam. Brahmana koshosi medhayapi hitaha. Then your body is the sheath, in which kosha means the sheath. In this sheath is the Brahman. Okay? So when you use your intellect, you can actually remove this sheath so that you can discover the Brahman inside. Hello. How beautiful this just one mantra, the whole essence of how you discover yourself is described. And how you discover yourself is you invoke the Om. When you invoke the Om, the supreme sound, the sound from which even immortality came into existence, that sound is going to stimulate my intellect. And once that intellect is stimulated, immortality becomes my vesture. Then my body becomes very capable. My tongue becomes very sweet. My ears are capable of hearing and listening carefully. Karnabhyam bhuri vishvam. Brahmana koshosi medhayapi hitaha. Using this intellect now, I can remove the sheath that is on my Brahman. Therefore, I can discover the Brahman within myself. Shrutam me gopaya. Let what I heard be protected inside for generations and generations. Let there be peace, peace and peace. That is the meaning of that mantra. How incredible the meaning of one Shanti mantra. This is a Shanti mantra. And the Shanti mantra is how to discover yourself. In order to discover yourself, you require a tool, right? To take the cover out, you require something, no? And the tool that helps you take the cover out is the intellect. How does it help you? Intellect is like the light bulb, and when the current comes in, the light is shining. When the light is shining, there is no need for darkness, because where there is no light, there is darkness. When the light is there, you can see very clearly yourself, and therefore the intellect is shining the light to discover yourself. Oh, I have been looking for myself. It's like the fellow is looking for himself. And I say, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Suddenly, oh, he turns the light on. There is a mirror. Oh, here I am. Very happy. That is what this mantra is saying. So when we are chanting this mantra, you see, now you can say, Sariram me vicharshanam. Vicharshanam means your body is stimulated. It became rejuvenated. Why? Because you are no longer the guy that is thinking, I am dying every day. You wore amrutam, immortality, as your vesture. When you are wearing immortality as your vesture, the body becomes very much like a steel nerve. You are capable of doing that. If you are always thinking, I am a simple fellow, I am a stupid fellow, I am an incapable fellow, I am a fearful fellow, and always telling yourself, I am not able to do it, I am not, always negative thinking, then what happens? You will be that only. First you have to say, I am immortal, I am fearless, I am the divine. And then what happens is, automatically the whole system gets energized and rejuvenated. One more time, you chant the mantra. Om.
Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandogyo Yamrita Sambhaguva Samindro Medaya Spranotu Amritasya Devakarano Guyasam Shariram
Shariram me vicharshanam.
Shariram me vicharshanam.
Yeah, two times. Shariram me
vicharshanam. Shikma me madhumatta. Karnabhyam bhuri vishruvam.
How come voltage dropped? Voltage dropped. Suddenly voltage dropped. Light became dull. Okay, Shariram me vicharshanam. From there.
Shariram me vicharshanam. Jitva me madhumattama. Karnabhyam bhuri vishruvam. Brahmana kosho
ब्रह्मण कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः
ब्रह्मण कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः
मेधया पिहितः
मेधया पिहितः मेधया पिहितः
श्रुतं मे
गोपाय
हेलो श्रुतं मे गोपाय
गोपाय श्रुतं मे गोपाय
Amma, if it is flat, up, down, nothing is written on the top of it, you have to stay flat, okay? If it is down, you have to go down. If it is one thing up, one up. Two things up, dirghaswaritam. Like that. You may ask the question, why this is all, sir? Why can't I just say, Om Echandasa Amrshabho Vishwarupaha, Chando Bhurodhamurta Sambhaguva, Samendro Medaya Sprunotu. It's like saying, what? It's like saying, Endaro Mahan Bhavulu, Andariki Vandanamulu, Endaro Mahan Bhavulu, Andariki Vandanamulu. How does it sound? Very bad. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai. Doesn't make no energy in it. The swaritam, the intonations bring the energy into the mantra. And that pattern stimulates our mind. Okay? Because of the swara, the mind gets stuck. The music attracts the mind. And the meaning attracts the intellect. And once you know the meaning of it, the intellect is now stimulated. And the mind has to focus on this swaram. Okay? One more time. Om.
Yaschandasam Vrishabho Vishwarupaha Chandogyo Yamrita Sambhaguva Samendro Medaya Sprunotu Amritasya Devatarano Bhuyasam Sariram Me Vichakshanam Jitva Me Madhumattama Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medaya Pihitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya
Shrutam me gopaya.
Shrutam me Gopaya Shrutam me Gopaya
Om.
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Only children will chant, all the adults will listen. No? Learned it? No? Okay. All the girls are ready. Okay, you can chant. Yes. Om.
Yaschandasam Vrishabho Vishwarupaha Chandogyo Yamrita Sambhaguva Samendro Medaya Sprunotu Amritasya Devadarano Bhuyasam Sariram Me Vichakshanam Jitva Me Madhumattama Karnabhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medaya Pihitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya
Om.
Shanti Shanti Shanti
99 marks. Very good. You did. Boys, you have to beat that.